How to fix Frigidaire Gallery Dishwasher I20 error. So if you're getting this error, it usually means that the dishwasher itself has a drainage problem and the dishwasher isn't able to remove water properly. And it's usually caused by clogged filters or blocked drain hoses or an issue with the drain pump. So first, make sure you turn off and unplug the dishwasher from the outlet itself to make sure there's no electricity going on, and then you can remove the filter. You can clean it thoroughly. If you'd like, you can take a look at your manual. Depending on your model, it's going to be a different filter. So make sure you have your own model so you can see your manual on how to remove your filter. So clean it thoroughly to remove food or debris or even grease buildup. Then next you can check the drain hose. It's just going to usually be behind the washer itself. And make sure it isn't kinked or clogged. Also inspect the garbage disposal connection if it is connected to ensure it's not blocked. After cleaning everything, plug the dishwasher back in and run a short cycle to see if the error clears. If the I20 error still appears though, you can check the drain pump for obstructions or listen for unusual noises. This could mean it's blocked or failing, and you could also try resetting the dishwasher by holding the cancel or the start button for a few seconds. If none of those steps work, it usually means there is something else wrong, and it's usually a faulty pressure sensor or a pump, which may require repair or replacement. If you'd like more customer support directly from Frigidaire, you can go ahead to their website and you can contact them from there. You could tell them your specific problem along with your model and unit, and they could give you instructions on what to do next. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.